everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a Risograph styles using Gemini AI. So first just open Gemini AI and then after that just tap on plus icon, tap on create images, choose your styles, the Risograph, this one, and then after that just upload your photo like this, and after that just write this prompt, change the styles of the second like this, and then next just submit, and okay like this you will get the results like this, your photo with the new styles, the risograph styles like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.